Ori urerikana kuhanika rucini rwa gukia umuthi thukuru-ini wa gukoma wa imwana wa Mbokori uria wi gicigo mbunge kia Mbuya ya irathiro kaunti-ini ya Bungoma. Mutino uyu ugicungirira hathara ya indo cia arutwo 88. Agikira ndeto ino mukonde murutani munene wa thukuru ino Makelas Musonye augite ati mena kihani mutino wa mwaki uyu uria ukorirwo kimatunga hindi iria arutwo mauma irathi-ini na gucungirira nyumba ya gukomo imwe ya anake kuhia.
I just wanted to report that we have had an incident of fire where we have lost one of our dormitories.
Oho murutani one ugite ati gutina koro ona muruto ona umwe ugurarire mutino-ini uyu.
All our children are safe. This happened when the students were in prep and they were just about to complete their prep.
Sonya ine ugite ati kihumo kia mwaki gitire kiramenyekana no uthuthuria ni wambikitwo niguo kumenya kiria gicungiriire mutino uyu.
Investigations to be able to know the cause of the fire. I think for further information, you will be able to get it maybe from our director and the board. Ba ino ya gukomo ya anake irari na arutwo 88 aria riu moritwo ni indo ciao guko murutani uyu akihoya andu a wendi mwega hamwe na atongoria guteithiriria arutwo aria indo ciao iheire niguo makorwo magithii na mbere na mathomo mao ota mutugo. 8 students and they lost all their property. Yeah, we are appealing to them to come and support us. We have no single space within the school where we can place these young people.
Fotera Muthingi TV, Jetago wa Boy wa Mugo.